This video is about removing the fake alerts and the intrusive ads that are coming from the site gkfzln.com. This website displays fake messages that tell people about the need to click on Allow button, supposedly to help them watch the video. In reality, it is a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on Allow, because the moment people do that, they get redirected to some other deceptive sites that may display similar content and force people into subscribing to their own push notifications. In some cases, people just may be redirected to some other shady websites that promote potentially unwanted programs. If you have clicked on Allow button by mistake, you should fix your browser immediately. Otherwise, you will keep facing these ads from time to time, and they will distract you a lot. To remove these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. If you find this malicious site, gkfzln.com, you should remove it from the list. And don't hesitate to delete other junk sites if they are causing such pop-ups on the screen. So make sure you delete all of them. And this is the best way to fix your browser manually. I also recommend researching the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.